In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Defender turned off. If you've been seeing warnings that your device is unprotected, or the Defender icon shows protection is off, this walkthrough will get Microsoft Defender back up and actively safeguarding your PC. Start by opening the Settings app in Windows 11. This is your central hub for system options. Once Settings is open, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. That's where Windows groups tools related to safety, permissions, and system protection. Select Privacy and Security to continue. Inside Privacy and Security, find and select Windows Security. This page gives you an overview of the built-in protection features. Now click Open Windows Security. That button launches the dedicated Windows Security app, where you can directly manage Defender's components. In the Windows Security app, choose Virus and Threat Protection. This is the area that controls Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Here you'll see the current status of protection and quick links for settings. Next, click Manage Settings. This opens the detailed controls for how Defender monitors your device in real time. First, turn on Real-Time Protection. This is the core feature that actively scans files and processes as you open, download, or run them. If you're prompted for permission, approve it. Real-time protection helps catch threats immediately, so it's important to keep this switch on. Note that it can temporarily turn off during certain trusted software installations, but it should turn itself back on afterward. Next, enable cloud-delivered protection. With this on, Defender can use Microsoft's latest intelligence to identify and stop emerging threats faster, often before they spread widely. It's lightweight and designed to improve detection speed without slowing you down. Finally, turn on Automatic Sample Submission. When a suspicious file appears on your PC, this setting allows Defender to securely send samples to Microsoft for deeper analysis. These submissions help improve protections for everyone. If a file is likely personal, Defender typically asks before sending, and you can always review or change this setting later. Once these three switches are on, your system should report that you're protected. You'll usually see status indicators change to show no action is needed. If any toggle is grayed out or flips back off, you might be using another antivirus, or your device may be managed by an organization with its own policies. In those cases, check with your administrator or verify that no third-party security suite is taking over. That's it. With real-time, cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission enabled, Microsoft Defender is back on guard to help keep your Windows 11 device secure.